Hello viewers, welcome back to your home for motivation, mental wellness, and personal growth. If this is your first time here, please subscribe, turn on notifications, and join our growing community of people committed to healing, growth, and healthy relationships. Today, we're talking about something that deeply affects our happiness and emotional well-being: how to attract positive friendships. Friendships can uplift us, support us, and help us grow, or drain us, discourage us, and hold us back. So the question is not just how to make friends, but how to attract the right ones. Human beings are wired for connection. We thrive when we feel understood, supported, and accepted. Positive friendships improve mental health, reduce stress, and give us a sense of belonging. But meaningful friendships don't happen by accident. They are influenced by our mindset, our behavior, and the energy we bring into our relationships. Understanding positive friendships. Positive friendships are built on 1. Mutual respect. 2. Trust and honesty. Emotional safety. Encouragement and growth. In healthy friendships, you don't have to shrink yourself to fit in. You feel safe being yourself. Attracting positive friendships starts with recognizing that you deserve relationships that add value to your life. Becoming the kind of friend you want. One of the most important truths about friendships is this: we attract what we reflect. If you want supportive friends, be supportive. If you want honest friends, practice honesty. If you want respectful friends, set healthy boundaries. Work on becoming emotionally aware, kind, and dependable. Positive friendships grow naturally when you show up authentically. Healing before connecting. Sometimes, unhealthy friendships come from unhealed wounds. When we seek validation, approval, or distraction, we may attract people who reinforce insecurity rather than growth. Taking time to heal, reflect, and build self-worth helps you attract friendships based on mutual respect, not emotional dependence. Healthy friendships begin with a healthy relationship with yourself. Setting boundaries and standards. Attracting positive friendships also means knowing what you will and will not tolerate. Boundaries protect your energy. They help others understand how to treat you. You don't need to keep everyone in your life. It's okay to walk away from friendships that consistently bring negativity or disrespect. Choosing peace is choosing growth. Being open, present, and consistent. Minute 8 to 9. Positive friendships grow through presence and consistency. Be willing to 1. Show interest. 2. Listen actively. Be reliable. Small actions, such as checking in, showing appreciation, being available, build trust over time. Friendships are nurtured, not forced. Conclusion and call to action. Attracting positive friendships starts within. When you know your worth, practice kindness, set boundaries, and show up authentically, the right people naturally gravitate toward you. Remember, it's better to have a few genuine friendships than many shallow ones. So choose connection that brings peace, growth, and joy. If this video resonated with you, please like, share, and subscribe for more content on mental wellness, personal growth, and healthy relationships. Until next time, stay open, stay grounded, and keep growing.